Alright, so hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So this video is going to be kind of understanding what exactly engineering is, because I'm just passed out engineer. So a lot of students are starting their engineering degree right now. They come into two categories: engineer by chance and engineer by choice, right? So to kind of understand these two words, I just want to delve into what exactly engineering means to the outside world. If you see in web series and movies, the engineering is the most hyped up stream, right? All the engineers in the classrooms and out in the football field are going out and doing masti and all those things. They seem to have a lot of fun. And incidentally, all the engineers in the world right now, they are mocked because every person is an engineer, and they say you won't get a job, this is that, and all those things, right? But I want to kind of delve into the part where when we come from school, right? When we come from school, a lot of school toppers are celebrated. Rather, all school toppers are celebrated. You're seen as the best, seen to do very well in life. On the other hand, if you're an engineering topper, if you top your engineering consecutively in all these semesters, you're actually mocked. So, in the engineering field, or rather any field as such, if you start to do really well, you're actually mocked, saying that you're a nerd, padaku, all those things, and it's celebrated to be as an average person. I'm not good at math, I'm not good at CAD drawing. Oh, it's fine. I'll just flunk this test, take the next test, those kind of things. But what I've come to understand in my 4 years and 8 semesters of engineering, probably 500 tests, is that engineering itself is a lifestyle, right? I'll give a simple example. If you even ask a person or engineer, if you give him a very complex problem, the first thing he or she will say, give me a pen, pencil, paper. How they use it, where they use it, really they can't tell you. But the first thing they learn is draw a table. I can speak for the mechanical, IP and the EC students. The first thing they say, draw a table, put XYZ, name the variables, let's start the problem from there, right? So the kind of mindset which they train, which the engineering teachers and the stream, the lab assistants train us, is that we have to quantify a problem. So that's what is coming in engineering. But what a lot of students are going today is about placements. The first thing they come, as seniors have experienced, they come to me and says, I want to get placed in a good stream. What do I need to do? This, that. Yes, it's quite a justifiable thought. I understand that. But once you enter first year, keep your mind open. I think that's very important. I did come initially with a closed mind, but as you go through the years, you try to learn new things, be open to new ideas, be open to new concepts which are coming into you, filter whatever is not needed, and take what's good for you, right? But in this day and age, with technology as a tool, technology and people and resources and collaboration has become so easy over the years and over globe, over the horizon and all those things. I think students who are coming should not go for placements initially. Placements, let it be in the third year part. The first 2 years are just about trying everything. Not just in partying and all these things, probably in the academic domain, inventions, new concepts, new revelations, new theories. Try to absorb everything from different branches, right? Because end of the day, if you sit for placements, you're going to be one of the pack. No individuality is seen, and honestly, there is no relation between getting the highest marks in engineering and getting placed first. Ironically, it's usually the person who comes last in engineering gets placed first, right? But I'm not saying that. So upskilling as a term has become very, very different nowadays. Now, if you see, upskilling in those days was learning more, getting more degrees, kind of educating yourself more. But upskilling today is learning very different new skills. An engineer, a mechanical engineer, is supposed to know computer science concepts. He's supposed to know EC concepts also. Having said that, upskilling is not just technical education. It's all about soft skills, email writing. How do you write a letter? How do you speak to a person on the phone? How do you receive calls? What is the way you present yourself? So all those things kind of make you a holistic human being, which is something in engineering which one has to put a lot of effort for. So upskilling itself as a term has changed the name of the game. It's not just learning new theories, getting more Coursera certificates. That's not upskilling. Upskilling, yes, technically that is upskilling in a way. But if you want to really become a holistic human being and do really well in your engineering 4 years, it's also important to learn the human side of things, the soft skills. So that when both complement each other, that's when you become a really, really great engineer. That's called a great engineer, right? So yes, I think it's a great stream for students to take. What you think when you're in first year and what happens in the fourth year is completely different. You would not even thought of it. The kind of patterns which go through your engineering, it's completely disrupted, and that's the best part about it. So all the best, guys, for all the engineers out there. Peace out.